Welcome to this custom-crafted mid-century home. Situated in the beautiful Southwest Portland Hills, it's a nature lover's paradise near OHSU, parks, trails, and close to all city core amenities. Yet it's a world apart in a quiet, serene location. Heading inside, you'll discover a brilliantly designed home with designer built-ins and beautiful details throughout. Enjoy the wraparound gas fireplace, designer shades, and vaulted ceilings. The gorgeous kitchen features high-end appliances, including a Décor gas stove, a Wolf refrigerator, granite counters, plus a wine cooler, and finely finished cabinetry. Relax and unwind in the spacious master suite. This home of more than 2,500 square feet has plenty of space with 4 bedrooms and 3 full baths. The lower level includes a potential separate living space with a large family room that has a separate entrance. Perfect parent-in-law apartment with a potential kitchenette, bedroom or office, laundry, and a full bath. The double-car garage includes a custom floor finish and a full-length storage room. Entertain or connect with nature on the deck with a tranquil waterfall feature in this low-maintenance backyard. It includes a barely used spa, plus a separate garden cottage. This beautiful home is move-in ready, features multiple upgrades, and has plentiful storage throughout. A rare opportunity in the sought-after Southwest Portland Hills. It's all here ready for you to call home. For more information or to schedule your own personal tour, please contact James Bradley with Premier Property Group at 971-804-4618.